Another thing that I was discussing with someone last week was that, for example, let's say that in my case, I don't know our development team, right? I've never
Mhm.
met them in person. So sometimes it's nice to meet them in person just for them to know that you actually like them and that you're not just messaging them every time that something breaks or something's not looking good, because
Yeah.
it does get to that point where you're just reaching out to people about work and you can't smile at them, you can't be like, hey, how was your day, by the way. I mean, I do say how are you, but still you don't have that connection to actually get a little more personal and be like, how are you, how are your kids, good. So I saw that this is happening. Do you think that makes sense, or do you think it should be happening like that, or is it a bug? Little things like that we do lose with being remote, but at the same time, I do think there's ways of making things better. Definitely, I try to reach out to people. Maybe not you sometimes, but like I reach out to people I don't know, and I'll be like, "Hi, how are you? I hope you're having a good day." And then I go into like whatever issue I have, and then I'll be like, okay, thank you so much. It's a little colder nowadays compared to in person because at least I feel like I don't know if it's like a Oracle thing, but we don't really get in calls if we're talking about small things. We just like each other.
Mhm.
Like for example, my boyfriend, he gets into a call about everything. That I would go crazy, honestly. Like,
Yeah.
I personally would not want to get in a call. Oh, they're running into an issue, a call. Hey, I just noticed this. Oh, okay, yeah, I'll fix it. Okay, bye. And that's it. That's their call. And
Yeah,
it's like,
that
why
would
do we
drive me
have to
crazy.
message each other about that? But, that works for them, I guess. I don't know. But we do lose a couple of little things when we're from home. But I think we're like remote workers, lovers, I guess, you and me. But I do think there's like it depends on your personality for sure and what you like doing.
Yeah.